Hey, what's going on, guys? And for today, we are going to talk about Medicare Advantage plans by state. Medicare Advantage plans vary significantly by state, offering diverse benefits and plan options. From 5-star rated plans to unique state-specific offerings, these variations impact healthcare choices for millions of Americans. Understanding these differences is crucial for selecting the right coverage. When discussing Medicare Advantage plans by state, it's helpful to group states that offer similar benefits and highlight unique aspects for each. Many states provide similar benefits in their Medicare Advantage plans, such as dental, vision, and hearing coverage, which are common across most plans. These benefits are available in nearly all Medicare Advantage plans, with about 97% or more offering them in 2025. Additionally, many plans provide coverage for over-the-counter items, meals, and remote access technologies, though the prevalence of these benefits can vary slightly by state. States like Alabama, Arkansas, Colorado, Florida, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, and Wisconsin often have 5-star rated plans available. These plans typically offer comprehensive coverage and are highly rated. For instance, in 2025, these states will continue to offer a wide range of Medicare Advantage plans, with many featuring high-quality care and additional benefits. In Alabama, there are 93 Medicare Advantage plans available in 2025, which is the same number as in 2024. However, the average monthly premium has increased from $14.76 in 2024 to $15.69 in 2025. This slight increase reflects broader trends in healthcare costs. In contrast, Arkansas has seen a decrease in the number of plans available, dropping from 93 in 2024 to 90 in 2025. Despite this decrease, the average monthly premium in Arkansas has significantly decreased from $13.30 in 2024 to $7.74 in 2025, making plans more affordable for beneficiaries. Colorado, Georgia, and Louisiana are experiencing significant increase in the number of Medicare Advantage plans available. This expansion provides beneficiaries with more options and potentially better coverage. For example, Colorado is seeing a greater than 10% increase in the number of plans, giving residents more choices for their healthcare needs. Similarly, Georgia and Louisiana are also experiencing substantial growth in Medicare Advantage options. Ohio and Pennsylvania stand out for having some of the highest numbers of Medicare Advantage plans available. In Pennsylvania, beneficiaries can choose from 80 or more plans in several counties, while Ohio also offers numerous options. This high availability of plans allows residents to select the best fit for their healthcare needs and budget. On the other hand, Rhode Island and Vermont are experiencing a significant decrease in the number of Medicare Advantage plans. Both states have seen a reduction of over 30% in available plans, which may limit options for beneficiaries. This decrease could impact the ability of residents to find plans that meet their specific needs. Lastly, Alaska is unique in that no Medicare Advantage plans are available for individual enrollment. This lack of availability means that residents must rely on other forms of Medicare coverage or seek alternative health insurance options. Despite these variations, Medicare Advantage plans continue to offer valuable benefits and flexibility for many Americans across different states. In conclusion, Medicare Advantage plans offer diverse benefits across states, providing varying healthcare options. Understanding these differences is key to selecting the right coverage for individual needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.